Hey you guys, for cooking this week, we're gonna stick with our breakfast theme. Last week we did French toast. This week we're gonna do little mini pancake bites in these cute little muffin tins inside the oven. And the first thing I'm gonna do is preheat my oven, then I'm going to spray my pans with some non-stick cooking spray, and then we're gonna get started. So our oven's gonna go on at 350 degrees, and I'm gonna get these sprayed and work again. Spray this over the sink so I don't get them everywhere. Alright, so those are sprayed. I'm going to put them to the side and we can get going on our batter. So this one is super simple. You don't have to pre-mix anything unless you want to. You have a pancake batter mix that you like to use. I'm just going to use this pancake mix. It tells me how much I need of everything for some different sized pancakes. I'm gonna go with the 12 to 14 pancakes, so I'm gonna need 2 cups of the mix and 1 1/3 cups of water. So we'll get going. Now is the time you show your parents how well you learned how to whisk and mix things in class, just like when we did our cupcakes and brownies and cake and cookies. Really just want to whisk it good, get all of the chunks out, make sure that there's no batter that's not mixed in. Mix looks pretty good to me. So the thing about these that I found, you can kind of make them your own. So I'm going to add blueberries in some of them. Some of them will be plain, and then some of them will have chocolate chips in the end. But they're saying not to add it to your batter. They want you to add it to the individual cups. So I kind of like that idea. You can kind of do it on your own and kind of mix in with it however much you want. So you could use fresh fruit, you could do plain, you could do, I did frozen blueberries and dark chocolate chips, you could do strawberries, sprinkles, kind of anything you want. I'm kind of liking these recipes that you can kind of make your own. It's been a lot of fun. Alright, I'm going to use this little guy to get my batter into my cups. And these are kind of really deep, so I might need to make some more batter, but that will be okay. To fill this one, so I'm going to do a second batch. So I'm going to check out my directions. And I'm just going to do 1 more cup of mix. So I need 1 cup. And whisk it. cube. There's 12, so I think I'll do 4 with blueberries. Oops. The last one. And 4 with chocolate chips and 4 plain. So a third of them are blueberries, a third of them are chocolate chips, and a third are plain. Now all I have to do is wait for my oven to finish heating up, and then I'm gonna pop these guys in and we'll set a timer and hopefully they turn out really good. Okay guys, so our oven just beeped, so I'm gonna get these guys in, then they're gonna be in there for about 15 to 20 minutes and they'll be ready to eat. Let's get them in. Alright you guys, the timer went off. We're gonna pull them out of the oven and hopefully they look pretty good. They're looking good. Here's our finished product. I'm gonna pull them out, get them on a cooling sheet, and then you could probably put whatever kind of topping you want on top. You could do syrup, you could do Cool Whip, you could do whipped cream if your mom lets you, or you could just pop them in your mouth and eat them. These blueberry ones look like they're pretty much ready to eat, and once they're cooled off, I'm gonna try one. Thanks you guys. See you today, this afternoon on Zoom for Share.